I am by profession a tool and die maker. So I am supposed to be making molds and press tools for plastic. So any plastic that comes out from me. I am also by nature creative and innovative. I love to do things differently. I don't like following the same pattern. And so after almost about 10 years of business, I said, what different can I do? And I used to always try to see how can I challenge what is around me. So why should a cup be only that U shape? Why can't it be something different? Why should a vase be only a V shape? Why should a pen be thin and long? Why can't it be round? So those questions would always be in my mind. And I said, okay, how do I express this idea? And that's when I started looking around for ways of prototyping. And that time these were called as RPT machines or rapid prototyping machines. And I came across one of these machines. I did a detailed study and I realized that in India at that time there were only 5 people who were manufacturing machines. Out of those 5 people, 3 or 4 of them were still in colleges. Okay, and there was only one company who had professionally started called Divide by Zero Technology. I bought my first machine from them in 2014 and till today I am associated with them. Very strong relationship. They are one of the best in India. So that relationship came up out of the urge of innovation and coming up with new things. Today we are strongly involved in the same thing, in innovating. We are coming up with so many new products on a day-to-day basis. I can't disclose them because we are under NDA.
Okay.
Because these are all done for companies. But the amount of innovation that we do, it's very exciting to be in that space.